bit confused about this question जो आजकल टीवी पे हर एंटरप्रेन्योर और स्टार्टअप को पूछा जाता है। ये मेरी एक्सपर्टीज नहीं है, आई एम आउट। अब ये बोलकर स्किप मत कर लेना। EBITDA is very important to check any company's profitability. EBITDA का मतलब है earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization. EBITDA might give you a clear view of the actual business health and the strength of the business model. That's because EBITDA only accounts for the day-to-day expenses needed for daily operations. In other words, ये हमें कंपनी के करंट ऑपरेशन से कितना कैश फ्लो जनरेट होता है वो बताता है। और EBITDA को मेजर करने के लिए दो फॉर्मूले हैं। एंड टू एक्सप्लेन दिस फॉर्मूला, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल। सपोज आपकी कंपनी का टोटल ईयरली सेल्स हुआ 2 crores। ये हुआ आपका नेट इनकम। अब इसमें ऐड करना है आपके बिजनेस पे जो भी टैक्सेस लगेंगे। से द टोटल इज लाइक 50 lakhs प्लस any interest you pay like the business loan, property rent, etc. And ये interest expense भी है 50 lakhs. Now finally add depreciation and amortization जो cost balance करता है for decreasing value and functionality of equipment, machinery और दूसरे assets over time. Take it to be 1 crore. This brings your EBITDA to 4 crores और इस amount से आपको अंदाजा मिल जाएगा of the core profitability of the company. Now, just remember that people consider a strong EBITDA to be at least twice the company's interest expense. So, supposing if the company's expense is 10 crores, a 20 crore or more wala EBITDA would be considered very ideal. Also, in some industries, a higher EBITDA margin of over 15% is considered to be the best. Mind of course, EBITDA is just one factor that you have to consider while trading. Also, this video is only for educational purposes and not recommendations. So, hope you learned a bit more about investing smartly. Comment with a term or concept that you want me to explain next.
Investments are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.